This demonstration was prepared by Engineered Fall Protection on the use of DBI Sala EasyLine. Before you use EasyLine, it's first necessary to inspect the components of the unit. This device comes with two carabiners. Make sure they're free of rust, pitting, deformities, and the locking mechanisms are in good working condition. Just below the carabiner is the impact indicator. Make sure the indicator pin has not been broken. If it has, it is an indication it's been in a fall and it needs to be taken out of service. This unit is designed for 2 users, so you'll need to inspect both D-rings to be sure they aren't rusted, pitted, cracked, or deformed. You will also need to inspect the wire rope. Using a gloved hand, make sure it's free of rust, corrosion, flattening, or fraying. Finally, make sure the reel locking button depresses and comes back up into its resting position with ease. Now you're ready to use EasyLine. Secure the wire rope end to your anchor point with the carabiner. Depress the top button and walk to your second anchor point. Connect to your second anchor point, remove the crank and connect it to the top output shaft and turn it clockwise to give tension to the wire rope. When you get to the point where you feel a good amount of resistance, listen for the crank handle click. That is the indication the tension is correct. 2 users are now ready to connect to the D-rings and work at height. When you're ready to take down the EasyLine, remove the tension from the reel by turning the crank slightly clockwise and depressing the locking button at the same time. Never try to hit the button with a blunt object or you'll damage the unit. Disconnect from your anchor point and continue winding the wire rope into the spool until you get to your first anchor point. Disconnect the carabiner, crank the rest of the wire rope into the reel, and the EasyLine is ready for storage. This demonstration was prepared by Engineered Fall Protection. Please visit us at engineeredfallprotection.com.